Fully lower the Roman shade so that all cords are pulled down and properly tensioned. This ensures the fabric is in the correct position for disassembly. Carefully remove the shade from the mounting brackets and place it face down, lining side up on a flat surface such as a table. Untie the cords from the bottom row of rings. This will allow you to free the spools and remove the internal mechanism. You can refer to the video in the description on how to do it. Before you begin, make sure to disconnect the battery from the motor and remove it from its holders. Slightly loosen, but do not remove completely, all screws and fasteners that hold the inner mechanism in place. Gently remove the side end cap on one side of the headrail, then start pushing the spools out gradually, pulling the entire internal mechanism out of the profile. Loosen and remove the battery bracket from the motor's bracket, which holds the motor inside the headrail. Carefully take off the broken bracket from the motor. Install the new bracket in place of the broken one. When installed correctly, you should hear a light click, indicating the bracket has locked into the motor groove. The bracket must hold the motor firmly so it stays stable inside the profile. It is very important that all spools are installed in the correct direction and that all cords run strictly parallel to the tilt axis. If the direction is incorrect, the shade will not lift evenly. After verifying the alignment, insert the mechanism back into the profile. Align the cords, thread them through the rings, and secure the spools. Lay the shade flat on a smooth surface, as shown in the additional video link provided, and tie the cords to the bottom row of rings. Important: all cords must have equal tension. If one cord is tighter or looser than the others, the Roman shade will not lift evenly.
Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you liked the video. We would love to receive your feedback and let us know what you would like to see from us next. Thank you.